Hi guys, what's up? This is Rosetta here and I'm back with a new video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful red lips and neutral eye look. This is one of my favorite looks and I'm so excited to show you guys how I created this, so let's quickly start the video. I'm starting with moisturizing my face, which is a really important step before you start your makeup. I'm gently massaging so that the moisturizer is absorbed into my skin really well. And once I'm done, I'm starting to prime my face with the Wet n Wild face primer. Then I will move on to the eyebrows, and as usual I will start brushing my eyebrows downwards so that I can see the gaps and start filling in the gaps. Today I'm using the Kryolan eyebrow palette. I'm using strokes in the direction of the hair growth, and now I'm brushing my eyebrows upwards so that I can see the gaps at the bottom of my eyebrows, and I will do the exact same thing. I will fill the gaps. And then brush it once again. I will do the exact same thing on the other side as well. And next, moving on to my favorite paint pot. This is a MAC paint pot in the shade Laying Low. I will apply this all over my eyelids. This is really a great eyeshadow primer. It acts like a glue and keeps the eyeshadow intact. With the help of a brush, I will clean the area underneath my eyebrow. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to do so, and if you have any requests for any kind of look, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will also provide the description of the products used in the description box below. Next, I'm blending it with a blending brush, and moving on to the eyeshadow palette, taking this shade from the Revolution palette. This is the Makeup Revolution palette. I will apply this on my crease, and this will be my transition shade. I will use small circular motions and also back and forth on my crease to create the transition shade. And then moving on to this shade, this is a black shade. I'm applying it on the outer V. And I will slowly drag it towards the inner corner of my eye. Keep adding color and build the shade. Once you're happy with the intensity, blend it with a blending brush so that you do not have any harsh lines. I'm adding a little bit more of the black shade. Next, moving on to the Hilary Rhoda palette, I'm taking this shade and applying it on my eyelid with the help of my finger. And then with the help of my brush, I will define it even better. Once you're done, again with nothing in the brush, take the blending brush and smoothen the harsh lines. I'm diffusing the edges to get a smooth transition. Moving on to the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner, I am lining my eyes. I'm starting with the wing. And then I will drag it towards the inner corner. Now I am creating a line which is exactly near to the lash line. And slowly I will thicken the line. Always slow down and look at your liner, how thick you want it to become. Next, I'm using the Derma Color and applying it on the pigmented areas and dark spots. It really looks weird, guys, but don't worry, once you complete the makeup, it looks amazing. I'm applying just a little bit on the dark spots and pigmented areas, and then I'm setting it with the loose powder. I'm applying powder only on the areas where I have applied the neutralizer. This will help the foundation not to mix with the neutralizer. Next, I'm using my favorite Wet n Wild foundation. This looks a little deeper on my skin initially, but when I complete the makeup, it really looks awesome. I'm blending it with the damp beauty blender. Keep blending well because it is important for a really good makeup. My face is looking orange, but it will set later on. Next, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer and applying it under my eyes. I will also apply it on the high points of my face. This is a really good concealer. I am in love with this. So you can see the areas where I have applied the concealer. And with the same beauty blender, I'm going to blend this really well. This is one of my favorite steps. Next, I'm using the Faces Canada Compact and applying it on my face. I'm starting with applying it on the areas where I have applied the concealer, and then I will apply it all over my face. This will lock the foundation and help not to move from its place. I'm now contouring my face in small circular motions, starting from the top of the ear towards the corner of the lips. I'm also contouring my forehead, jawline, sides of the nose. So for the nose, I'm starting from the eyebrows and coming down to the tip of the nose, and then blending it with a blending brush. I'm also contouring under the nose. I'm now taking a Q-tip and taking the gel liner. I will be applying it as kajal today. And now I'm taking a little bit of brown color and applying it on the lower lash line. I do not want to smoke it too much today. Next, I'm moving on to the blush palette, and this is the Kryolan blush palette. I'm using this shade today. And slightly applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Next, moving on to the Inglot highlighter, I'm applying it on the high points of my face, on my cheekbones, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and I'm just brushing it with the help of a brush. I will also apply it on the forehead. Next, I'm lining my lips. And I'm taking this Matte Me lip color. This is a liquid lip shade. I got this from a local store in Mumbai. I'm applying it firstly on the borders and then I will fill my lips. Take your time to do your lips because this is a really important feature of your face. And of course, of the makeup. This is a nice bright red color shade. I love this color. Next, I'm highlighting the brow bones and the inner corner of my eyes. Again, slow down, take your own time because every step is important for your makeup. Last but not the least, I'm taking my favorite mascara from L'Oreal and applying thick coats of mascara. I always apply mascara on the lower lashes as well. And here is the final look, guys. I have taken clips in bright light as well as low light so that you get a better idea of how this look turns out to be. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. Do let me know in the comments section below how you liked this video and what you think about this look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all so much and I will see you very soon with a brand new video. You take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye bye, guys.